Okay, so as we make progress, I'm updating the GitHub repository file accordingly. Okay, so you're gonna get updated on this repository file also. So let's close this. And in this video, we're gonna create our application's color theme. We're gonna get this color theme from a website called Colors, and this is the color palette generator website. This website has this color palettes. You can create your own color palette from here, and you can use the generator, or you can explore the trending palettes, which is what I've done, and I already have a color palette ready for you guys. Okay, let's open the global CSS file, and let's define our theme with global CSS variables. We're gonna use this inside the tailwind config.js also, but also in this file. So I'm creating this here as CSS variables. So this is the color palette I created for you. We have the purple color, the pink color, the yellowish color, blue, green, very good one. And for the selection like this, when we select the text, this color is going to be the background and the text will be something similar to white. And for the background, we have this dark colors. Okay, this is our theme. And we can now pick our font style. We're gonna use Google Fonts to do this. And we will have two fonts. We're gonna use Open Sans as the default choice for our website. We're gonna use Open Sans for our default choice. Everything will be Open Sans, and we're gonna change some headings to another font. Okay, so this is the basic font we're gonna use in our application. So I will pick the regular, and let's make this full page and medium and semi-bold, and that's enough. This is the Open Sans, and we also have this very weird font which is Coiny, and it only has this regular font. We added this, and if you come to import section, copy this. So this is how you're gonna use it. If you copy this and open the global CSS file, and at the top we're gonna import these two fonts. Okay, you can see one is Coiny and the other one is Open Sans. We have imported our fonts, and we're gonna create a CSS variable called font family, and we will use the default Open Sans and sans serif. If just in case Open Sans is not loaded, then it will be sans serif. So save this, and let's use this CSS variable. For the HTML, we have scroll behavior, smooth. It's gonna provide a smooth scroll behavior. For the font family, we're gonna use var this CSS variable, which is Open Sans. And for the background, we're gonna have this color background. Okay. So for the selection, when we select something, we have the background, color selection background, and the text will be like this. So you can see this. Okay, it's not running right now. We can say npm run dev. Let's open this. When we select this, you can see this two colors are applying. So after doing that, let's open the tailwind config.js file, and we're gonna use the this color palette in here also. So we're gonna import the default theme first, default tailwind CSS theme. Constant default theme is equal to required tailwind CSS default theme, and we have the content part, and in the theme part we will have this font family section. So this is inside the extend part because we're gonna extend the default theme. We're not gonna overwrite like the whole theme. We're gonna extend the default theme. We're gonna add some new stuff here. So for the font family, we have Coiny. So it will be something like this. The Coiny part can be like this. Okay, it will be Coiny. And for the colors, we're gonna use the same colors here. So we can say brand purple, and we're gonna use the var dash dash color purple. Yeah, like this. So for the brands pink, we will have color pink, and we have brands yellow and the blue, green and the blue, the green one and the backgrounds. Yeah, awesome. So we have all of this, and we can say the Coiny part can be Coiny cursive, right? So if you come, let's rerun the server. If you come and take a look at this, welcome to Next.js thing, then you can see it's 16 pixel and open sans. This is the default font, right? So if we go and let's say the class name is going to be font Coiny, then let's inspect this one. This is Coiny cursive, but there's something wrong with this cursive part. So let's remove this. Okay, it will be only Coiny, I think. Yeah. Now this is Coiny fonts. So whenever we want to use the Coiny font, we're gonna go and say font Coiny. Hey, this is font Coiny. Otherwise, it will be Open Sans by default. Okay, awesome. Now we have our font family picked and the color palette.